Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you this must try a newborn baby hack in DTI. So if you're ready to shrink down your style and bring the adorable factor to the runway, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how you can get the cutest newborn baby hack in DTI. So this is how the baby will look like. Okay, let's just get started. So the first two items that you need to use is this apple and this coconut. First, grab the apple and toggle it into mischievous and change the color into the skin tone that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this one and grab the coconut and make it all white, the color. Okay, now once you're done, you can go to the dressing room and add these items, these bought items, this teddy bear. You can find it on the dressing room, this one's right here, and toggle it into one and change all of the color again to white so it looks like a blanket. And just like that, now your newborn baby is done. So guys, that's all for me. I hope you like this hack. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.